Have you ever felt lost in a conversation with a real estate agent, drowning in terms like contingency, escrow, or MLS? You're not alone. Real estate, like other industries, has its own lingo, and understanding it can make all the difference when buying or selling a house. That's why I'm kicking off a new series where I break down the most common real estate terminology, one video at a time. In today's video, I'm starting with 5 commonly used terms that will help you to navigate this process with confidence. And don't worry, this is just the beginning. I'll be sharing more videos in this series covering even more jargon to help you feel like a pro when it comes to real estate. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Rochelle Ward, and I am an established real estate agent here in the state of Connecticut. I feel that part of my job is to educate people that I come in contact with about real estate. So if you've ever been confused by industry terms or just want to be better prepared for your next transaction, you're in the right place. Let's dive into today's 5 must-know real estate terms. Number 1, MLS. This is the multiple listing service, and this is how it works. When we're representing a buyer and the buyer gives us their new home search criteria, we search on the MLS for homes that match that criteria. Now, if you have ever been on Zillow, Trulia, even the CaldwellBanker.com site, all the information that's on those websites is fed to them by the multiple listing service. The multiple listing service, the MLS, is the source. Number 2, listing. Realtors throw this word around all the time, and most people don't know what it means. What a listing is when a real estate agent signs representation paperwork with a seller to sell their house. It is listed for sale. Over the years, this has become known as a listing. Pretty simple, right? Number 3, escrow. It's a third-party service that holds money and documents during a real estate transaction. So as a real estate agent, I run into escrow quite a bit when a buyer gives a deposit for their new home. This money is held in an escrow account, and the escrow agent is generally the seller's attorney. Escrow is held there until certain criteria is met, and then it is released and it goes to another party in the transaction, not the buyer or the seller. Number 4, earnest money. Earnest money is known by different words around the country. I tend to call it the good faith deposit. And this is money that is given as a deposit when a buyer wants to show that they are serious in purchasing their new home. Earnest money or good faith deposit money goes toward your overall down payment. So when making an offer, it's typical that the earnest money is 1%, and if you're putting down a total of 20% down on your purchase, you would have 1% for the good faith deposit, and you would need to give at different intervals the other 19% of your deposit. Number 5 is a contingency. A contingency is a condition that must be met before the real estate contract is legally binding. Typical contingencies that we see in a real estate transactions are inspections and getting a mortgage. If you do inspections and they're not to your liking, your agent will let the other side know, and your good faith deposit money should be returned to you without any issue. If you're getting a mortgage for your new home and for some reason you're unable to get that mortgage, you must have a letter of declination from the lender to give to the other side so that you can get your deposit monies back. Contingency, pretty easy stuff. Now that you know these real estate terms, I'm not giving a test, you'll be able to navigate the buying and selling process with a little more confidence and avoid unnecessary confusion. Understanding the real estate language can make all the difference between a smooth transaction and a really stressful one. I have added some links to the description below on 60-second videos that I've done in the past. One is on MLS, one is on Escrow, and the other is on Earnest Money. Check them out because there's a little bit more information there than there is in today's video. Stay tuned for more videos in this series, and if you found this to be helpful, please make sure to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and drop any questions that you might have in the comments below. I'm here to help. Have a great day. See you in the next video.